Hi there, welcome. So Google Pixel 5 is one of the latest premium smartphone to hit the smartphone space, and it has some unique tricks up its sleeve. For starters, they have successfully found a way to charge the phone wirelessly through metal. Metal-bodied phones are rare to see nowadays because metal typically prevents wireless charging, forcing manufacturers to opt for glass or plastic instead, and most premium phones choose glass. But impressively enough, Google has found a way to pull off wireless charging despite an aluminum shell. Also, Google Pixel 5 makes use of an under-display speaker for audio output. We don't know why Google did that, nevertheless it's good to see that the brand has used one of the latest technology on the Pixel 5. In addition to bringing new stuff to Pixel 5, they have taken off some unnecessary items as well, like the Soli radar chip is gone and so does the notch. Now it has a clean looking front with a symmetrical bezels all around, including the chin, and a punch hole cutout at the top left corner. All this makes Pixel 5 look really appealing to look at. The back isn't bad either, it's the same look as the Pixel 4 but with a flushed camera module and a fingerprint scanner. It also has 90Hz 1080p OLED panel and a much bigger battery. Previous premium Pixel phones have certainly struggled in the battery department, so the Pixel 5's 4000 mAh battery will hopefully go a long way. Google has also added an extreme battery saver feature to the Pixel 5 that prioritizes energy use for only the specific apps you whitelist. According to the company, with extreme battery saver mode on, the Pixel 5 can last up to 48 hours on a single charge. And Google switched the telephoto lens for the more important ultra-wide lens. Even without the presence of a telephoto, the Pixel 5 can still benefit from Google's Super Red Zoom technology, which employs artificial intelligence to digitally zoom without losing details. Yeah, that's very impressive. It will also have other software features like the new Portrait Light feature that lets you adjust the light striking your face even after taking the shot. Finally, Google also offered 3 new video stabilization modes so that you don't mess up your video from shaking hands. The Pixel 5 carries a Snapdragon 765G chipset instead of the flagship Snapdragon 865 chipset that's found in every other flagship smartphone this year. But to be honest, because of this chipset, they were able to keep the price low. And this processor can handle day-to-day tasks with ease, so no problem there. And it also supports millimeter wave 5G as well as sub 6 GHz 5G, making it future-proof. So with all that Google has provided, it's nothing short of a perfect phone. It has a great design, software support is amazing, and the price is good. So tell me your thoughts about this phone, drop a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.